Good morning, Year 3 Amber. Mr. Goodall here. I hope you've had a good day so far. In this lesson, we will be doing addition with capacity. So I'll explain to you what that is in a moment. So our LI for this lesson is to solve addition problems with capacity. Please pause the video whilst you copy this LI down. So let's go over the definition of capacity again. Capacity is how much an object or container can be filled until it is full and is overflowing. So for example, a capacity of a pan might be 5 litres, a capacity of a measuring jug might be 500 millilitres. So that's how much liquid they can hold until they become full and start overflowing. So we have some potion recipes for our addition problems with capacity. So I'm going to go through this first potion with you. So as you can see here, we have milk, which is, so I'm going to count the dashes, which indicate the litres. So 1, 2 dashes, which means 2 litres. There's 1 dash on the orange juice, which means 1 litre. And then on fairy liquid, there's 2 dashes again, which is 2 litres. So the capacity of this cauldron here, so I'm just going to draw some steam coming out of it because it's supposed to be cooking, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 litres. So what I'm going to ask you to do is put where the certain ingredients come up to on this measurement. So we have our 2 litres of milk here, so let's put milk. Our litre of orange juice, so orange juice goes here, so I'm just going to put OJ for short, stands for orange juice. And then our 2 litres, 1, 2 of fairy liquid are here, so FL, fairy liquid. So we have here 2 litres of milk, 1 litre of orange juice and 2 litres of fairy liquid. So our number sentence is going to be 2 litres plus 1 litre plus 2 litres equals 5 litres. So that's our number sentence. So using the measuring of these items here, measuring of the cauldron, putting where the ingredients lie in the cauldron, and then our number sentence, I'm going to let you have a go at the 2 next tasks. So please pause the video here whilst you do so. So for this one, we have 1, 2 litres of snake venom, 1, 2 litres of bone broth, and 1, 2 litres of nettle tea. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 litres this time in the cauldron. So our 2 litres of snake venom, SN for short, 1, 2 litres of bone broth, BB for short, 1, 2 litres of nettle tea, NT for short. So altogether we have 6 litres in this cauldron. So what I'm going to do is 2 litres is for our number sentence. 2 litres plus 2 litres plus 2 litres equals 6 litres. So let's move on to our third potion. So for this, we only have 1 litre of frog gloop, have 2 litres of broad bean juice, and then 1 litre of bat drool. I don't think that's associated with Batman at all. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 litres in the cauldron. So I'm going to write FG for frog gloop, because we have 1 litre of that. 1, 2 litres of broad bean juice. So broad bean juice. And 1 litre of bat drool, so BD for that. So our number sentence goes 1 litre plus 2 litres plus 1 litre equals 4 litres. So if you got any of these right, well done to you indeed. So our next capacity addition problems are going to be dealing with millilitres. So we're going to be using more units of measurement. So I don't know if any of you have heard, a music festival called Glastonbury isn't on this year. So people across the UK are going to be celebrating, Glastonbury. So that means watching Glastonbury from home. So for that, we're going to need some drinks, aka mocktails. So we are going to be making mocktails with our millilitres. So if you tune into Glastonbury this weekend, you'll see a great variety of bands, and hopefully by doing this exercise of counting the millilitres, you'll be able to make some delicious drinks to watch your favourite bands with this weekend. So for our first mocktail, we will be adding. So let's measure the ingredients together and then measure the jug in which these ingredients will be going into for our mocktails. So the dashes this time will represent 100 millilitres instead of a litre. So the apple juice here, 100 millilitres. Pineapple juice, again, 100 millilitres. And the lemonade, 200 millilitres. So 1, 2, 3, 400 millilitres is the jug. So let's put I'm going to put AJ for short here for apple juice, PJ for pineapple juice, and then L, 200 millilitres for L, that's lemonade. So our number sentence goes 100 millilitres plus 100 millilitres plus 200 millilitres equals 400 millilitres. So have a go at seeing how many millilitres the ingredients and what the final product in the jug is for the next two mocktail recipes I've put in front of you. Please pause the video here whilst you do so. So we have 200 millilitres for the watermelon, for the juice of the watermelon. We have 100 millilitres for the lemon juice, 100 millilitres for the soda water. So what we have here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hang on, that should have been 200 millilitres for the lemon juice. Yes. So we have W for watermelon, go up to LJ for lemon juice, and SW for soda water. We're having 100 ml there. So altogether that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 500 millilitres. So our number sentence is 200 ml plus 200 ml plus 100 ml equals, so 200 and 200 ml is 400, add 100 is 500 millilitres. So for our last one, we have 100, 200, 300, 400 millilitres of raspberry juice. We have 200 millilitres for lemon juice, and for soda water we have 200 millilitres. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. So in this jug, which is going to be quite a large mocktail, we have 800 millilitres. So our number so hang on, before we do our number sentence, so 100, 200, 300, 400 is the raspberry juice. So I'm going to put RJ here. 1, 2. Lemon juice, LJ, 200. Another 200, SW, soda water. So 400 ml plus 200 ml plus 200 ml equals 800 millilitres. So if you've got any of these right, very, very well done to you indeed, and please keep up the good work. So I hope you enjoyed this lesson on addition using capacity. So I hope you found the witches recipes useful in litres. So if you wanted to write your own witch stories, you can include these recipes in them, and also doing the mocktail recipes, because it's going to be a very sunny weekend, so you want to stay hydrated. So I think having fruit juice, if it's not got too much sugar in it, would be a very healthy thing to do during this hot weather. Just drinking as much as you can, stay hydrated. So if you fancy trying some of these recipes out, I pinched a few of them for this lesson from BBC Good Food. So if you want to take a look at that on your guardian's smartphone or laptop, then there will be loads of recipes you can try, and you can try adding your ingredients in milliliters together to like fit in a blender or whatever you're used to blend those ingredients together, and hopefully have a very good sunny weekend with the drinks. So I'll be seeing you tomorrow for more lessons in capacity. Hope you enjoy this one. See you tomorrow, and please submit any questions you have to year3@grange.harrow.sch.uk. Thank you very much.